Ohhhh Summer. The flowers are blooming, the sun is out, it's time to get out and go on a hike, but more importantly, it is time to perfect our math survival skills. Hey, my name's Miguel, also known as the Vegan Math Guy, and I want you to join me at Camp SOH CAH TOA this summer. Let's strengthen those math skills for the course that you're going to take the following fall. I've broken my summer courses into lands. We have PreAlgebra Trailhead, Algebra Courts, Geometry Meadows, Lake Algebra 2, PreCalculus Summit, and Mount Calculus. This is a 10-week workshop starting June 14th through August 15th. We'll meet once a week for 1 hour where I will review each math survival skill and provide workbooks along the way. This is the most put together summer I've ever seen, and I'm so excited for you to be part of it. There's 3 options for my workshop. We can meet privately over Zoom, we can meet in group sessions over Zoom, or you can get this as a self-paced course for you to download, watch, and work out on your own. I'm really looking forward to seeing the progress you'll make this summer. But more importantly, I'm really excited to see how these skills are going to benefit you come the fall. I will see you at Camp SOH CAH TOA real soon.